Hello, it's Gummy. I'm going to show you how to get a cheaper Netflix subscription with Gamsgo. This is the trick I personally use for my Netflix account to pay the lowest price. I'm asking you right now, if you're ready, let's go. Don't hesitate to like the video and subscribe. It really helps the channel a lot. I really searched everywhere for the best solutions to save on a Netflix subscription. I really tried everything, tried to find the simplest and fastest way to save as much as possible on a Netflix account, while still having access to all the features of a premium Netflix account. And honestly, the best solution I found is with the website Gamsgo. It's a subscription sharing site that will allow you to have a really cheap Netflix account every month. As you can see here, for only 3.77 euros per month for a Netflix Premium 4K account, you really get access to all the features. I've been using the Gamesgo platform for over a year and I'm 100% satisfied. It allowed me to save a lot over the 12 months I've used the platform. You can access the Gamesgo platform directly through the link in the description below the video or the first comment directly pinned below the video. Just click on it and you'll be automatically redirected to try more Gamesgo. And you can see here, so the subscriptions, Netflix. So actually, how is it going to work? Well, actually, Gamesgo is going to buy a lot of subscriptions. Netflix, it will get discounts on the subscription prices, and then it will make them available for multiple users to share. So rest assured, you will have your own separate Netflix account. It will just be, in fact, like a kind of family subscription that you will share with other people around the world. And so it will allow all of you to have a dedicated profile. Netflix with 4K videos, the entire catalog, available unlocked with your own movie and series recommendations. It is a subscription, a Netflix one, and you, Aston, share it with other people. So it will be usable both on mobile, on PC, or on your TV. So, as if you were subscribing to a Netflix premium account on your own, except that in our case, with Gamesgo, since you share the subscription with others, well, it will allow you to have a really negligible price. Only $3.77 per month. And again, you can get it much cheaper with my little trick that I'm going to show you right now on the screen. To subscribe to this low-cost Netflix subscription, it's very simple. You just need to log in at the top right on the icon, log in, sign up. You can do it with a Google address, Facebook, or just a simple email address. I will log in with my Google account. Once that's done, you'll be able to select the subscription you want to sign up for. For us, it will be Netflix. You click on Buy Now. Then, you can select the duration you want for the subscription. The longer the duration you choose, the bigger the discount you'll get on the price. So if you take, for example, 1 year of YouTube Premium, you see you'll have it for 44.99 euros, so about 3.75 euros per month. So it's really an excellent price. And then you can even choose to renew it automatically or not. If you check here, then you'll also get an additional discount. You see 3.67 euros per month. And then you can even enter afterwards a promo code. You can use my promo code GEMMY to get an additional discount. And then you see that the subscription goes down to 3.49 per month, so it's even cheaper. So don't hesitate to use the code. It helps support the channel, and then you just need to proceed to payment. You can pay with any bank card. It's done in a very simple and secure way. And then, once the payment is processed, you will automatically receive your login details to access the Netflix account. You can create your profile and enjoy all of Netflix Premium at a lower cost. And if you ever have any issues, there is a customer service available directly on the Gamesgo site 24/7. So, at any time, if there's an issue with your subscription, you can send them a message. They will respond to you in just a few minutes. It's super fast. Personally, in 1 year, I haven't had any issues, not even a password change. Everything went very, very well. That's why I recommend it to you. So don't hesitate to use it. Then you can see you have many other subscriptions available, including Spotify, Disney+. It's a great chance to save money. Don't hesitate. So that's it for the video. Bye.